Alright guys, so it's Prosper here again, and here's another video. In this video I'll show you guys how you can start making money online. You hear that right? How you can start making money online. So I'll be showing you guys some platform where you can mine BTC, that is Bitcoin, for free, and it's going to be using your CPU. But if you have a GPU processor, then it's a big gig for you. That means you have a very higher mining rate. So Bitcoin has left the private sector to now a public sector, so you can actually mine Bitcoin anywhere you are, and you start making money online and anywhere you are, whatsoever place you are. So far you have a computer system, you can start mining Bitcoin today. Alright guys, so the platform I'll be showing you guys today is what Crypta, and this Crypta mines Bitcoin using your CPU. So this is the CPU program right here. So actually you can have more higher mining rates because this one is using my Intel Core i7 5600U. So only them knows what all of this is. So this is my processor. So it's using my processor at the random XXMR, and this is my hash rate per second, which is 473.6. So it's fluctuate and it's working right now. So let me show you the application on my PC. So this is where I actually downloaded it. So you can see the software right here. So this is software Crypta setup, as you can see. So it's the company is Crypta, and they are the one that are responsible for this. So you can start mining. So let's check the hardware of mine. So I'm running on the desktop, and this is what I can earn, and this is my CPU. So if you come to system right here, rerun benchmark, so I can still rerun benchmark to increase my mining process. So let me come right here. Okay, best mining CPUs. So if you are using the RTX 5090, you'll be making a profit of $32 per month just mining. So if you have multiple gaming PC, like you have like 3, 4, 5, so by the time you multiply by the number of computer system you have, so you have at least $100 per month just having this in one side mining process. Alright guys, so this is how you can mine Bitcoin. So if you need my affiliate link, so this is my affiliate link. It's also be on the video description. So I'm going to give it to you guys. Then I can also send you the software. The software also, once you click on my affiliate link, to show you where you can actually download the software also. Okay. Alright guys, I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.